This is the technique of an arthroscopic biologic tuberoplasty with cable reconstruction. Combined with our preoperative assessment, we debride the rotator cuff and examine the cuff mobility, deeming it irreparable. The tuberosity is then prepared by mild decortication with arthroscopic shaver and burr. Start at the anterior aspect of the retracted rotator cuff tissue. From the lateral portal, use the side-loading multi-fire scorpion to pass a 2 mm fiber tape or tiger tape in a running baseball stitch fashion. Out of the anterior portal cannula, leave at least 10 centimeters of one end of the fiber tape, which will exit the underside of the anterior retracted tissue. The opposite end of the fiber tape, which is the longer end, will be used for the running baseball stitch. Work anterior to posterior, passing each stitch roughly 6 to 7 millimeters apart. The final posterior pass exits on the underside of the retracted tissue. Alternatively, it is possible to also work posterior to anterior depending on the surgeon's preference. Load the limb of the 2 mm fiber tape into the eyelet of the 4.75 mm knotless swivel lock. Then place the swivel lock at the medial edge of the greater tuberosity at the articular margin. Insert the eyelet of the swivel lock using the mallet, adequately tension the single limb of the fiber tape suture, and insert the swivel lock anchor. Use the closed fiber tape cutter to cut only the remaining fiber tape suture. Do not cut the knotless repair and the shuttling sutures from the anchor. Retrieve them out of the superior stab incision for later use for a biologic tuberoplasty graft passage. We repeat the same steps on the other side by retrieving the other 10 centimeter fiber tape limb out of the superior stab incision and inserting it in the eyelet of the knotless swivel lock before securing it at the articular margin. With our cable reconstruction completed, the remaining anterior and posterior knotless repair sutures with the respective shuttling sutures will be used to walk the Arthroflex graft to the medial edge of the greater tuberosity. The remaining tuberoplasty steps can be found in our previous technique paper, Arthroscopic Biologic Tuberoplasty